Hi friends, today is Thursday, November 19th, and this is your Module 2, Unit 2, Lesson 11. I am aware that we have skipped some lessons. We did that intentionally. Don't worry, we didn't make a mistake. So today we will be reviewing coordinating conjunctions and we will be practicing revising and editing by using proper conventions, including capitalization, spelling, and commas. So let's first talk about coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are words that join together other words, phrases, or clauses. They use a comma before the coordinating conjunction whenever it joins two independent clauses. You're going to remember fanboys. We've discussed that before. For and nor but or yet so. So those are the coordinating conjunctions we've discussed. And what we're going to do is we are going to practice writing compound sentences by eliminating a comma, eliminating a period or an exclamation point or a question mark, and then putting a comma and a conjunction to join the two sentences. So if you could please turn to your model workbook, page 131. And we will roll through those. If we're doing this together, we'll roll through this as a class. But if you're doing this independently, you're going to have to do that on your own. Before you do that, though, I would like for you to watch this Schoolhouse Rock video. After you watch the video, come back to 131. It looks like this. Okay, there's that reminder for and not or nor. I'm going to change that. But or yet so. Okay, and then you're going to take these simple sentences and you're going to add a comma and a conjunction to make it one compound sentence. For example, they may have many body segments. 2 pairs of legs are on each segment. So what could I put there? They may have many body segments for 2 pairs of legs are on each segment. They may have many body segments and 2 pairs of legs are on each segment. I would say and is the best choice here, but I would roll through all of those and figure it out. So it would end up looking like this. They have many body segments. I've been reading that wrong the whole time. Sorry, guys. And 2 pairs of legs are on each segment, period. Notice I put the comma and then the conjunction followed the comma. Okay, go ahead and finish that in your module workbook. Copy mine down and then complete these last two independently. All right, now that you have done that, we're going to talk about, this is just a review using the commas before the conjunction, okay? We're going to talk about editing for conventions. So when we're editing conventions, we're thinking about these questions. How can I make sure my spelling, my capitalization, and my punctuation are correct? So on your Google Doc, you're going to see, in your Google Classroom, you're going to have a Google Doc that looks like this. Millipede conventionless paragraph. Okay. Oh, that's not the right thing. Hang tight, guys. Just one second. Okay, so I fixed this. So check this out, friends. We're going to read this paragraph and we're going to figure out where the errors are. We're looking for spelling, capitalization, and punctuation errors. Okay. So follow along as I read. Now, if we're in class together, then we will be doing this together. But if you're watching this independently, I'm going to kind of walk you through what I would be doing if I were revising and editing a paragraph, and I'm going to make those changes. Okay. The millipede is a relative of the centipede. They have 20 to 100 body segments. Okay, so I see a couple of errors here. First, I need punctuation there, right? And then I see they have, so I should put a period there, okay? They have 20 to 100 body segments. That should not be capitalized. That should be lowercase. There are 2 pairs of legs on each segment. 2, T-O-O. That's not like the number. It should say 2 pairs of legs on each segment. Millipedes like to be in damp areas. In the wild, they live on moist forest floors. Some millipedes live in our houses. Oh, okay. So I could put a conjunction. I could put comma, and some millipedes live in our houses. They like to live in damp bathrooms and basements. Millipedes aren't fast. Ooh, I see another error. Capitalize that. They roll into balls and eat leaves or decaying vegetation. Oh, that's a spelling error. G. Okay. Their main predators, animals that hunt and eat the millipede, are ants, toads, and mice. Their. That means they are. So we'll see if that makes sense. They are main predators, animals that hunt and eat the millipede. That doesn't make sense, does it? So it should be their. Okay, there we go. That's better. Millipedes have 2 main defense mechanisms to protect themselves from predators. That's not right either. Defense mechanisms. When they're near a predator, millipedes might roll into a ball or ooze poison. Oh, I see a spacing error there. I'm going to fix that. Okay. So now we have fixed our paragraph, edited and revised it, and made it look a lot better. So let's go back here. And then the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you what you're going to be doing independently today. So today you're going to be completing a Google Doc on which you will revise and edit the paragraph, as well as combine some sentences using a comma and coordinating conjunction. Once you complete the Google Doc, you need to make sure to mark your assignment complete for today. This is what the doc looks like. You're going to go in. It's 2 parts. You're going to correct the paragraph by fixing spelling, capitalization, and punctuation. I'll give you a clue, friends. If there is a red underline on a computer, that means it's a spelling error. A blue underline is a grammatical error. So it could be the word is spelled wrong. So it might be the wrong to, or it might be the wrong there. And you also need to make sure there's punctuation at the end of every sentence. There aren't random capital letters in the middles of sentences, and there are capital letters at the beginning of every sentence. After you're done with that, then you go down here to the second part. Remember coordinating conjunctions. You can combine simple sentences by adding a comma and a coordinating conjunction. Remember fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. And that's what you're going to do here. So you're going to take these sentences and you're going to change them so that these are no longer simple sentences, but one nice compound sentence. The game was very easy. You're going to put a comma, a conjunction, and then you're going to make that in a lowercase letter. Okay? Make sure you choose the right one. I'll highlight those so you know what you're looking for. Okay? After you're done with all 5 of those, then you are going to mark your assignment complete in Google Classroom and you will be done for the day. Way to go, folks.